This is gonna be a tip for all my Walmart Spark shoppers. When you shopping for stuff, if you're looking for something in a certain aisle, they have the sections right here. So if you see this section 14, this is gonna be 13, and this is gonna be 12. So let's just say I'm looking for some bread. I think I need some hamburger buns. They say aisle 40, section 23. So we in aisle 40, then you wanna go up here to the top and you look at the sections, and that's how you easily find all your items when you're doing shopping.
Yes, sir.
Picked up my first order of the day, $12, 4 miles, 2 stops. Let's get it. And it was a round robin. But look, that's not what we're here to talk about today. Today we're here to talk about, I just want to quickly address all the haters. If you a hater out there, this video is for you. And if you just want a little bit of entertainment, go ahead and stick around. But let's get right into it. We got a lot of people hating on GigCon, and you know what? I get it. You may be sitting at home in front of your computer, trying to make you a little video, sitting there not making nothing happen for yourself. I get it. You need somebody to hate on, and guess what? Hate on me. Hate on me. I appreciate it, because what you got to realize is I take that hate and I put it into a converter, right? And I convert it into pure raw energy for everything that I'm trying to do. So the more that you hate, the more you fuel the fire that's in my soul to outclass, outshine, outperform, just outlive all my haters. And that's really what it's all about. But look, that's a quick little, 45 seconds for the haters. But we finna go ahead and get back to this money. I got my first order of the day, $12. I had to wait a little bit for it though. This is actually the beginning of a new incentive on Walmart Spark. We got 18 trips, you get an extra $75, and if you make it to 21, you get 105. Look, it's not as good as the last one we had, but I was planning on doing some Walmart Spark all weekend anyways. Guess what? Your boy is back on DoorDash. Yes, sir. You better believe it. I know the haters is mad, but guess what? I cannot be stopped. It ain't nothing you can do about it but sit in your house in front of your little computer and complain, make you a little 20-minute video. Get it off your chest. I feel your pain. But what you gotta realize is when you wake up in the morning and you just know you the shit like me, you cannot be stopped. So I'm finna go ahead and get this money. I'm finna show y'all how beautiful life is. You know what I'm saying? When you got haters fueling your fire, and you can get this money, make a YouTube video, get paid from that, and get paid while you out here driving your whip. Let's get it. So we coming up to Center Grove Drive right here. Ooh, look at that park. Everybody over there having a good time. See, haters don't know nothing about having a good time. Look at that. Everybody just chilling. First order of the day. Looks like we're gonna be heading up into this apartment. Got a little apartment delivery, but the good thing is everything fits in my hand. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Didn't even have to go that far inside. Boom. Front door service. Alrighty, haters, we just got our first order dropped off. We making that money. I know you can't stand it, but it's gonna be okay, because look, if you just try to be 1% better than you was yesterday, you might get a little bit closer to being FBA. That made you mad. Guess what? I'm back on DoorDash. I cannot be stopped. I got a whole new account, and guess what? I ain't never quitting. I'm about to make all this money. I'm about to show everybody else how I'm making the money, and I'm gonna encourage new content creators who ain't banned on AdSense to create them a YouTube channel, start getting that money. And it don't matter if you want to complain, what you want to do, you want to show people how to make that money, you just want to vlog, it does not matter. Get that YouTube money, but do not lose your access to AdSense. We got a lot of folks out here that's mad that we out here getting this money, but they could be getting money too. They not getting money because they fucked up a long time ago. They got permanently banned on AdSense, so all they can do is sit around and complain and cry. Watch us do our thing at GigCon, and they mad because they can never get to a GigCon. Why? Because they picking up $2 and $3 orders, not making no money, and then hopping on YouTube and complaining about it. But that's okay though, because maybe one day in the future, all that complaining could possibly lead to some, promotions or sponsorships or something, some external way to get paid from making content. But to all my potential content creators out there, don't lose your access to Google AdSense. Don't do no stupid shit. Don't buy no subs. Don't buy no views. Don't be out there, doing stuff 10 years ago to fuck up your opportunities in the future. That's my little... Oh shit. I know my haters gonna be mad on this one. We got another order. $11, 4 miles, curbside pickup, and this one was an ASAP order, guys. I got that last one dropped off so quick that I knew the next round of round robins wasn't gonna be ready yet. Man, they straight just sent me an ASAP order. I'm about to get 2 Walmart Spark orders done in the first hour, be at what, 23 bucks with 8 miles. Let's get it. And then I'm be right in position to get the next round of round robins. Let's go. This is how you maximize, guys. Now I know a lot of people out there like to say, hey, you know, hey, they not showing you how to max. This is how you maximize. We got an incentive going on. I knew I had to get out there early, hit it hard. I haven't been getting out early lately. I've been getting out in the early afternoon and sometimes early evening. But I still been able to hit my goal. Yesterday I went out for 3 hours, made 3.5 hours, made $100 in earnings, and then an extra 50 in trip incentive. So let's go. Like, this is how you make that money out here, especially with Walmart Spark, especially when it's slow, especially when school's getting ready to start back up. I've been delivering school supplies all week. All week I've been delivering school supplies. Now the funny thing is, I had originally made a DoorDash video about the little promotion they got going on, but being out working so much, I wasn't able to get back home and properly edit it to my liking. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna just let the people know what's going on right here. DoorDash got a little promotion. I think tomorrow actually might be the last day. They are partnering with Staples to get these school supplies delivered. So they got a little promo code, Staples20. Go ahead, throw that in there. You get $20 off a $40 order on DoorDash. And if you got Dash Pass, you go get free delivery. So you winning right there. Go ahead, get them school supplies for the kids. Go ahead, maximize and save as much money as you can. And it's gonna be making more orders for Dashers out there. So it's all around a win-win. But look, we finna head up here to this Walmart, pick up this next order, and show these haters how I'm getting that money and how I can't be stopped. Let's go. Stop playing. If you a bottom feeder, look, there's hope for you. You have the ability to rise to the top, to get out from under all that nonsense and negativity and hate. Bottom feeders, look, this is your time right now. Get up out of that slump, get up out of that hole, because the time is now. We never had so many opportunities in front of us. But I'm gonna tell you this, if you sit up there and you just wanna be a hater, you can easily squander your whole life. It's plenty of haters out there sitting in their house mad as hell, and they know they wasted their whole life already. All they can do at this point is hate. And I get it. I honestly get it. And I feel sorry for them, for real. But I don't feel sorry for the ones, you know, who did it to themselves. Everybody didn't do it to themselves, but the ones who did it to themselves, I don't feel sorry for them. But I will tell you this though, use it as a learning opportunity. Don't waste your whole life, you know, arguing with people on the internet and not making no money. Take a note from FDA. Get out, bet on yourself, do what works for you, and do what you like to do. And then hopefully you can transition that one day into making that money. Look at that, $45.98, 2 miles. Let's go, Walmart Spark, shop and deliver. We about to knock that thing out. And this is gonna be order number 3, getting it all within the first hour. Let's get it. Now it's about 98 units on this one, so it may take me a little second to shop them all, but that's a $45 hour. Who's complaining about a $45 hour with one order? Only got to drive it 1 mile away. See, these are the benefits of raising that acceptance rate, because I wasn't even seeing shopping orders like this. I had a curbside pickup yesterday, $54 for 8 miles. Now I did have to travel across the water and go to the St. Louis side, but hell, for $55, I will do that trip every day of the week, every time they send it to me, no matter where I'm at. Sometimes you might be at one Walmart and they send you around robin for a whole nother Walmart that you're not even by. Like, bruh, you could at least send me a bad offer for the Walmart I'm at. How dare you send me an offer that's good for a Walmart that's more than 10 miles away? Well, hey, when them officers paying $50, I would drive them additional 10 miles to that Walmart. And guess what? If it take an additional 10 minutes, I will wait that additional 10 minutes. Because what you got to realize is, no matter how you slice it, that's like having a large order program on DoorDash every single day. So I'm like, okay, I'll raise my acceptance rate. I'll get myself in a good position, because when these orders start really coming in, when the volume really picks up, when these kids go back to school and these summertime dashers go back to their regular job, like, bro, we finna be making that. Sir, the time is now 12:23. I've been on this order for 45 minutes, got all 96 units shopped, and I didn't miss any items at all. This customer's gonna be happy. I got everything up in the back, posted up, ready, and it's only a 5-minute drive away. I'm 2 minutes into the 5-minute drive, so this is perfect, because once I drop this off, I'll be able to grab another order when the round robins drop. Because as long as you
available and close enough to the Walmart before the 45-minute mark,
take the next right onto Goshen Road.
I'm gonna do that. You should be able to get another round robin. So we're gonna see what's up. I'm turning on Goshen. About to pull up at this customer house, drop it off. Perfect, great customer.
Continue on Goshen Road for 1 mile.
Yes, sir. Now we got 46 items on this, and it was a $15 tip. But you know what? For the distance that it's away from the Walmart, even though the item count is a little bit higher, typically I like to see a higher tip on those higher item counts. They must really know that they so close to the store that don't even matter. They can tip a little bit less with them being a good customer. Even if they tip a little bit less, how the close proximity they are to the store that they ordering from makes a big difference on if they order is acceptable. I'm going to accept this order every single time because no matter what, I'm the fastest dash alive, and I'm always going to get an order like this done in less than an hour. Now, the next shopper may not be able to slide through them aisles and get in and out of their store like I can, but still, this is an order that you can still take an hour and 20 minutes on and still make profit. Let's go. Now we pulling up to the destination now. Let's get this one done. Made it to our destination. It's got 2 totes and an extra couple bags to take to the door. Let's get it done. Made it to the St. Louis side where that cheap gas is at. We got $3.28 with a car wash and $3.48 for regular gas. And over there they got $3.49. I'm gonna put some screenshots up so you can see gas on the Illinois side is super high. So I'm always gonna come over here and get it. And I'm finna fill all the way up. Look at that. $3.48. There you see it, 56 bucks to fill this thing up. 16.2 in the tank. That's how big this gas tank is. Probably about 17 gallons. I had a little bit of gas in there. No, we not living this and we not making this and we not equal. No. We got an express order on this one, guys. $27.41, 5.9 miles. Shop and deliver ASAP. And it got a timer on it, so you know it's gonna raise that acceptance rate. These are the kind of offers I like to see right here on Walmart Spark, because now I'm about to run it up. I only got what, 12 items on this order, so that means I'm about to be able to get in here, get in, get out, shop these orders, and be right in position for the next round of round robin orders. Now you're gonna hear me say that a lot. These round robin orders are the ones you want to pay attention to. Now you might be asking yourself, what's a round robin order? Well, if you see an offer that has a timer on it and it don't say ASAP, that's a round robin. And if you're trying to raise that AR, you need to be taking those if they profitable. Ain't gonna be a good one all the time, but when it is, snatch that, get your AR up, and then you're gonna see better offers. It's so easy. I can just carry the whole thing with one hand while recording. Let's go. That right there. This was a great customer. Hey, woke up and sir, next order we got $44 for 22 miles. This one is a in-store pickup, one of those .com orders where you got a whole bunch of stops and it's supposed to be no tips. But hey, if they offering me 44 bucks for 22 miles, that's gonna be the last order I need to hit my daily goal, and I'm still getting 2-to-1 miles to money ratio. But while I say that, I'm gonna turn on Roadie too, because I might see some offers that I can accept over there while I'm completing this 11-stop trip. But hey, this is awesome because I got all them other orders done. Even got a Sam's Club order, $9 for 5 miles. And now this order right here is putting me over my daily goal, 150 for the day. And I just filled up my gas tank, so this is perfect. This order literally giving me all the money back that I just put in my gas tank, a little bit less. But I felt, excuse me. Now I'm finna have I'm finna have gas to work with for the whole next couple of days, and I already made the money back for the gas that I put in the car. Let's go. So look, stay motivated out there. You know, it's okay to be negative, it's okay to be positive, but do what works for you and do it to get that money. Don't just be out here doing nothing for free, man. That's all I got to say about it, and I'll catch you in the next one.